We know this side. In this video, I am giving one more important tips. Especially most of the members asking these questions to identify the highest salary using PySpark, highest second salary. Okay, different questions. Most of the members, most of the freshers getting these type of questions. Okay, for example, this is one data set, same like MySQL. Okay, I date salary, all these things. I'm showing the original data also. This is original data, reading and displaying the things. But simply, please note, df.show. Please note, there is a few important steps. There is a space dot sal, space dot hire, space dot mgr, space job. You have. That's why it is creating one more problem. If you want, please check df.createOrReplaceTempView tab. If you run, result is equal to spark.sql. Select job sal from tab. If you run like this, most of the cases is not working. Why? The need is notice emp. It is here space like that. Okay, I think most of them must not consider all these things. Simply, if you maintain job, comma sal from table name, if you enter that, most of the cases. Most of the cases you will get column does not exist like that. You will get. Please check. Cannot resolve job. But you have this job. Please check. Tab dot job dot space job. Tab dot space mgr you have. That is a problem. In this scenario, I want to clean the data. I think I already explained in my previous class also how to clean that. If you don't know, once again I'm clean. df is equal to df.toDF. Okay, followed by you want to clean this data right now. Okay, in this scenario, okay, you are using re followed by something. Wait. What is this? It is called list comprehension. In Python, if you know list comprehension, then only you can easily understand. Now, okay, re.sub followed by sub by maybe single quote, not A to Z, capital A to Z, except these two. What is that meaning? Except A to Z or anything if you get empty, followed by C. Followed by C. Now, for C in df.columns, this is count. At the time, what happened? Now, please check these results right now. What is that meaning? In that columns, except A to Z, capital A to Z, small a to Z, if you have anything, replace. That is that mean. The main reason data cleansing, one of the headache, biggest challenging task in real-time environment. Most of the members think is everything correct, but here you have spaces, you know, don't know that. Now please check. You got it only these two columns. So this is correct. Now, what is my requirement right now? Now, what is my requirement right now? After data cleansing, now I want to identify who is the highest salary holder. Highest salary holder. In this scenario, you can do it in you have two approaches. One, you can use either dataframe API or you can use SparkSQL. I am explaining both. Now, result dataframe API. How to solve this issue? Result is equal to, first of all, Windows functions. What is my requirement right now? Res is equal to df. Let me show that results. Then you will get one. What is my requirement right now? Identify the second highest salary. Identify the second highest salary. If you want, this is original data. What is my requirement right now? In this salary, what is the highest salary? Highest second salary. Entire data set. I think this is 5,000. Who is the second? Maybe this is 3,000. 3,000, 3,000. Yes, 3,000 is the second highest salary. But I want to know that. Who is the highest salary? I want to know second highest salary, third highest salary. How do I identify that? In this entire data set, in this scenario, there are multiple ways. Okay. Please note, most of the members asking questions in two ways. One, entire data set, what is the highest data set? In each department, for example, in the 10th department, who is the highest salary holder? Who is second highest salary holder? This is this one. Two members available in department 2. Who is the highest salary? Maybe he is highest salary holder. Otherwise, okay. Otherwise, this is department 10. So he is only highest salary. Second highest salary is in that way. Each department, how to identify? I am explaining. Each department, second highest salary. In this scenario, 99% you are using Windows functions. Okay, win is equal to window.partitionBy followed by deptno, department number. In this department, partition always category based column only. Okay, followed by orderBy. Call out. What is this meaning? Here, this salary I want to get in descending order. First, I want to create one window like this. Then what happened? After create window, next we want to process this with the column D rank followed by dense rank over win. That's it. At that time, you will get one more new column. That column name is called D rank. Okay. Now followed by where D rank equal to 2. At that time, each and every department who is the highest salary holder, you will get that. Maybe you want third highest salary. At that time, just mention 3. Okay. Let me check. Now, please check. What happened right now? Now, this is dense rank in each department. 10, 30, 20, 30. Who is the second? There. Highest second salary. But it's not working. working. Why? Please think carefully. Are you sure? Is it 5,000 is highest salary? It is 5,000 in each department. Okay, 10th department. Who is the second? He is only 5 minutes back, I said. But are you getting properly? Are you getting appropriate reasons? No, that's not that. At the time, what is the reason and how to get? The main reason, scroll up little bit. Why you are getting error? You are not getting results. Yeah, what is the salary? Salary is showing string by default. String, how it is converting? You know, string ordered by how ABCD only it's considered. So it's not. If salary is integer, then why? The main reason in this original data there is a space. There is a space. I want to remove the space. Okay. Otherwise, I want to remove the space. Otherwise, only that number I want to cast. Cast means what happened? Converting to integer. There are two approaches to resolve this. One, cast that. Second one, entire column, remove the spaces. Okay, this is remove only these column spaces. If you have, it's removed. But same logic, if you apply original data, entire space is removed. Okay, to be frankly, dot select. Okay, wait, almost same logic. Almost same logic. Here, what are you doing? Just in space. At the time, what happened? What is the data available? Any spaces available? Everything automatically remove. That is that meaning. If you want now run, try. Otherwise, one more approach also. What is that mean? If you have any extra spaces in the entire column, remove that. That is that mean. If still it is not converting to integer, then what happened? Use cast. Example, still is not converting to string. Why? Starting time you got it string. That one. That's right. In this scenario, what are you doing? Use with the column salary. What are you doing? Okay, call out salary cast integer type. At the time, what happened? Automatically, it's converting to integer. At that time, don't forget to import this one. Windows functions, if you want to import this, type you want to use this, functions you want to use. I already implemented all this. That's why I got it. Now try. Why it is not converting to integer? Integer type. Now please check you got it integer. I think now you will get proper results. Okay. Now tell me who is the highest second salary holder? 24, 28, 2450. That is second highest salary. Okay. Now this is category based. Maybe I mean, this is department wise who is the highest salary at the time you are using like this. In case I don't want the entire this department, in the entire data set, who is the highest salary holder? I want to know. In this scenario, simple. In this scenario, just change this logic. Instead of department number, that's it. That's it. First of all, this where condition please remove. First verify. Partition by, just remove this column name. Instead of department number, remove the department. That's it. Now please check. Who is the highest salary holder? Who is the second salary highest holder? Third salary holder? Fourth highest salary holder? Okay, I am giving a rank. What I did, simple. Partition by, I am not doing any column. Just use orderBy. OrderBy salary desc. At the time, automatically will get top like this. Here is the highest salary holder. Second highest, third highest. Now what are you doing? This. Okay. Now here use where condition. Where d rank is equal to, at the time, second highest salary you get. Otherwise, now who is the fourth highest salary holder? In this scenario, okay, you will get like this. So where rank is equal to second, so mostly you will get verify. Okay, 3000 is the highest salary. Simple. Just remove this partition by. That's it. This is called data frame model. No, I don't want this data frame model. I'm SQL. SQL friendly. I want. In this scenario, what are you doing? SQL friendly. Same, nothing, not too difficult. Don't worry, all this code I will share in chat box as well. Okay. After that, what is my requirement right now? I want to run something SQL query. Same way, instead of data frame API, I want to run SQL queries on the top of this. In this scenario, simple. Yeah, this is also, there are many ways, but I am explaining the best way recommended. So, right, please note, create or replace temp view is mandatory. That's already executed here. Okay. Now, QRY is equal. My recommendation use third. Okay. With like that. What happened? You are partitioning based on the department number orderBy. Okay. Next. After that, what next? I want to run SQL queries on the top of this. In this scenario, okay. After that, run SQL queries on the top of this. Hmm. Select temp star from temporary table. What is that meaning? I am giving rank. I will get one result. After get result, what next? I am giving something called D rank. D rank means I am giving, here I gave one column, D rank. So dense rank is equal to 2. Like that. Now result is equal to spark.sql. That's it. Easy and simple. Hmm. Now please check. I think I got it same. Who is the highest secondary holder? He is. He is. He is. Okay. Similarly, I don't want particularly this entire data. Who is the highest secondary holder? First of all, where condition not required. Wait, let me check. Let me verify. Is it really correct or not? Now, where condition? Okay. In this data, out of these three, who is the second? Is out of these three, who is the second highest salary holder? Maybe he is. In this department, who is the highest salary holder? Yes. Okay. That's why you are using dense rank is equal to. Whereas, what is my requirement? I want to know in the entire data set who is the highest salary holder. In this scenario, that is also same. Same like above. Above query 1. Query 1. What are you doing? Here, simple. Above, what you did, same way. Instead of department, just use single quote, single quote. That's it. That means there is no any column. In this scenario, what happened? Who is the highest salary holder? I think 3,000. I think this is highest secondary salary 3,000. Okay, let's try. Is it correct or not? Partition. Yeah, what is the difference between entire data set and this one? Just a partition. Earlier you have department. Now there is no department. Simply you are giving something empty. At the time, automatically you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. I think 3,000. This is second highest salary. If you want to test, really is it correct or not? Now verify. Now teacher. Who is the highest second salary? So that's why you are doing that. I think you got a clarity what's going on. This is SQL queries. This is dataframe API. Both ways you can use the process. Before the data cleansing, one of the biggest challenging tasks. Don't forget that. Okay. So in that way, we can easily identify who is the highest second stakeholder using PySpark. If you have any doubts, comment below. I will try my best to answer. Thank you. Thank you very much.